So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising for from today till the 1st of March 2026. These are mostly spiritual messages, and they are definitely not going to align with all of you. If they do, good. If they doesn't, don't worry about it. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay, the overall energy for Leo people for this week. Let's see what we have. Aloneness. Okay, you guys are choosing to be alone, not out of misery or out of pain or something. You guys are choosing aloneness with your wisdom, with your experience, with your knowledge. This is like, this is my journey, this is my path, and I have to walk on it alone by myself. So I cannot rely on anyone. I can't take anyone with me. I have to walk on this path alone. So choosing aloneness. Loneliness and aloneness are totally two different things. Loneliness is out of misery. Aloneness is out of experience and wisdom. Let's see. Okay. 23rd, going with the flow. Leo, the more you are going to choose to go with the flow with your life, the more it's going to be a little bit easier and smoother for you to have a peaceful kind of energy around you. Something is definitely bothering you from inside, something is weighing you down from inside, but if you are going to just let it be and just go with the flow and let things be, things are going to be a little bit smoother and peaceful for you. 24th, we have compromise. In order to save a bond or a connection or a friendship or a situation or maybe a business kind of deal, you guys have to figure out a middle ground in a situation. You guys have to compromise regarding a particular situation in order for that situation to work out in your favor. And if you are not liking the situation, if you know this is not good for you, if you know this is not going to give you anything good in return, so it's time for you to drop the situation and keep moving ahead. But middle ground or compromise is required. Okay, if you are ready, if you feel like. 25th, we have the Fool card. Now you guys might be trying to start or restart a brand new chapter in your life. As long as you are having good energies, good intentions, and a pure heart, the universe got your back. You can't manipulate the universe into thinking that something bad is actually good. It depends on where you are going, with which intentions and with which kind of energies. Accordingly, you are going to get the support from the universe's side. Accordingly, you are going to get what you want to have, as a support system in your life. Okay, 23rd, 4th, 5th. 26th, we have moment to moment. Now, on this particular day, if you are going to spend your life moment to moment, spend your day moment to moment instead of going too much in the future or instead of going too much in the past. Try to live this day with mindfulness, with alertness. Try to live this day moment to moment. Just one day practice, like maybe 1 or 2 hours. The more you are going to like start living in the present moment, the more you are going to be in this energy of living in the present moment, the more life is going to make you feel very peaceful, very happy and serene. Awesome. 23rd, 4th, 5th. 26th. 27th, we have a breakthrough. If you guys are asking for some kind of breakthrough or a solution, or you guys are feeling trapped in a situation, universe is going to give you the chance, the opportunity to have a breakthrough in some kind of situation of your life, and that is going to actually make you feel very free and very free spirited, make you feel lighter actually. Even if it is something that's going to fall apart, like maybe some kind of negative thing is falling apart, even if it is going to make you feel uncomfortable for some time, eventually you guys are going to take it as a blessing in disguise. Okay, this is a breakthrough coming in for you guys. 28th, we have the suppression. Now the more you are going to suppress your emotions, the more you are going to suppress your unhappiness. Something is bothering you. I don't know, Leo, what is this? This is something that's bothering you from inside. The more you are trying to suppress it, the more you are trying to be okay with it, the more it's kind of trying to explode. Again, when we suppress our emotions, it actually shows up in our body in the form of some kind of sickness. I had a friend, whenever she was angry, she used to get rashes on her body whenever she was not able to express the anger. Within 2-3 days, she used to get rashes all over her body. So Leo, if you are going to suppress your emotions this much, with this much intensity, it's definitely going to explode in some kind of way, shape or form in the coming future. So instead of suppressing it, try to sit with it and let them come out. It's going to make you feel uncomfortable for some time, but eventually you are going to be free. You're going to feel free and lighter. 1st of March, we have the dream. Now, this is one of the last illusions that you guys have to break, that some romantic partner or a lover is going to fill your life with love, and you are going to be the happiest person alive on this planet Earth. This is the last illusion that we have to break, to be loved by someone and to be happy because of someone. Okay, no one on this planet Earth can keep you happy if you are not happy from inside with yourself. That's the deal. That's the illusion that you guys have to break. This day, 1st of March, you might be missing someone, you might be missing a specific energy, you might be missing this energy of, okay, only if I had a good lover by my side, my life would be different. And might be you are scrolling reels on Instagram and you are going to see a happy couple. Let me tell you very honestly, most of the couples on Instagram or social media are fake. They are doing it just for views. First thing, not all of them obviously. Second thing, this is just the illusion that other people or somebody from the outside can make you happy. It's your job, it's your responsibility, and only you can make yourself happy. And it's an inside job more than the outside one, right? Let's see the guidance here, honey, for you guys for this week. Postponement. Okay, something is going to be delayed. Something is going to be delayed. Something is not going to happen exactly at the time you want it to happen. It doesn't mean it's a punishment, or the universe hates you, or you are unlucky or something. This is actually a blessing in disguise. This is actually teaching you a lot of patience. If you guys are going to take it as a punishment, it's going to bother you. If you guys are going to take it as like some kind of divine protection, that is going to make you feel in a totally different way. Now it's up to you how you are going to take this delay or postponement. Sometimes the universe is actually saving us from some kind of bullshit that we don't see coming at that time, but much later on we understand. So this is might be one of those things. So instead of taking this postponement as punishment, take it as blessing in disguise and protection from the universe's side. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.